Welcome. In this video, I'll show you multiple ways to sell a coin on Bitget. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how to convert your coin to a tradable asset. Okay, and the second one got two methods. Okay, which is by using the P2P market and direct selling. So the first option we have here, converting a coin to a tradable asset. Well, let's say, for example, okay, you have Bitcoin. So just go ahead over to trade and spot right here. And just go ahead and select a trading pair. It could be USDT or BTC to USDT or BTC to Ethereum or whatever. Okay, let's say BTC to USDT right here. So just click on this option. Now go ahead and go to the right panel and just click on sell. And the quantity right here, this is the current price, by the way. Make sure that you're under market. Okay, quantity, maybe the minimum Bitcoin amount right here. Okay. So that, and then once that's done, just click on sell. And after that, your USDT asset right here will update. Okay. And your Bitcoin will be, of course, converted to USDT. Now, the other option is by selling it via P2P. Okay. And convert it to fiat money. Okay. You could go ahead and transfer the money either to your fiat account right here or directly to your bank account. So to do that, go ahead and go to buy crypto. Click on P2P trading. And in here, for example, you wanted to sell your Bitcoin, and you wanted $100 worth. Okay. And the payment method will be available right here. So if you have BCP or Banco de Oro, well, this is your best day, as the highest price available will be right here at the very top. Okay. Again, if you have this or these banking, well, just click on sell. Continue with the verification process right here. Enter your card details. And after that, you're good to go. Now, the other option is by far the easiest one. Go ahead over to buy crypto right here. Buy and sell. Now, just go ahead over to sell. Select BTC right here under pay. And then the receiving amount could be USDT, PHP, Euro, or whatever. Okay. For example, you have 0.1 Bitcoin. Okay. If you do have that balance, well, you'll be able to see the receiving amount right here. So if you're happy with it, select the receive with option right here. Click on it. Now, this section is going to be in your fiat wallet. And this option right here will be sent to your card. Okay. So just basically select from one of these options, follow simple prompts, and once done, you should be good to go. And that is how you sell a coin on Bitget. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.